Conceptual design was done in-house by a local engineer to mitigate with what we have used to and what we have now. This truck was purely mechanical, 10 gear, and we started from design to material selection, from material selection to the welding fabrication, from welding fabrication to the assembly. The major part of it was done by Mr. GOV.SANWO-OLU truck in order to have a seamless process, since they have a welder capacity and they have well-grounded technicians to do the justice to what we want and what Lagos look like.
We must give, I actually really commend, we in Lawma, particularly we in the operation, really commend the good job of Mr. Governor, particularly in provision of this, our new trucks. Before now, working has been so difficult, but with the provision of this 102 trucks, the work is going to be marvelous. Because like we've always been at the mercy, that I must commend also the mercy of the private PSP operators, in which they've been assisting the system within the past 1 year.
Mọ́tò yìí mi ò rí irú ẹ̀ rí níjọ́ tí mo ti wọ Lawma. Àyè driver wà ńbẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀, àyè labour wà ńbẹ̀, èyí táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní safety. Gbogbo mọ́tò táwọn èèyàn wá ń lò, even though include PSP, labour máa hang sẹ́yìn, eléyìí labour máa jókòó, driver náà máa jókòó títí ẹ̀, even though include supervisor. Ó dà àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa, ó dà wọ́n bá mójú lọ bí tó ti gbé rà. Gbogbo ta fẹ́ kí gómìnà náà máa ṣe náà ni.
I can see they were manual, easily to fix. Everything on it is very perfectly. That everybody that can just, even a learner driver can come in and drive it.
What we have here today is 102 waste collection trucks that we'll be using across the state, distributing across all our 4 districts, and also catering for all the formations that we have. We also have here 100 bins, 100 double Dino bins, that has been produced for us to put in public places and our markets to ensure that a very good receptacle is created for our markets to deal with all the waste management challenges they have across the state. This is a collective asset that the state have put together for the entire Lagos. It's not only for Lawma. The entirely cleanliness and management of solid waste in the state is a collective responsibility of every resident, both me, both you, and the generations to come. For the 13,000 plus metric ton of waste that we generate daily, this will make a lot of difference, to be complemented by what our PSP does as well. On a very good note, I want to appreciate our governor once again, Mr. GOV.SANWO-OLU, for a very laudable investment into the sustainability of waste management in Lagos State on years to come. And at Lawma, we have no excuse for work. We will do our best to ensure that a consistently cleaner Lagos is achieved, and we also ensure that we as Lagos State stand as the cleanest city in Africa.